Welcome to Davao City, a vibrant destination where culture comes alive and natural beauty unfolds. Join us as we embark on a journey through the festivals and landmarks that makes Davao City truly remarkable. The King, City of the South, City of Davao. At the center of this rapid development is the captivating metropolis of Davao City, the Pearl of Mindanao.
Tucked in the heart of the city, explore People's Park, a sanctuary of sincerity amidst the urban landscape. Stroll through the lush gardens, admire the art sculptures, and find solace in nature's embrace. People's Park is a testament to Davao City's commitment to preserving green spaces for its residents and visitors.
Your appetite will certainly be satisfied as Davao City has the most mouth-watering and appetizing delicacies you will ever experience. From flavorsome foods to extensive marketplace, Davao City is a food lover's dream come true.
Built towards a sustainable future with emphasis on infrastructure and world-class communities, Davao City has been the fastest growing city in Mindanao in the recent years. Also known for its stunning skyline and beautiful tourist destination, this city is truly one of a kind.
Umubulong ang hanging amihan at
Marvel at the sight of these magnificent birds soaring through the skies and learn about the conservation efforts that ensure their survival. Discover the vital role they play in maintaining the ecological balance of our region. The heart of Davao City's festivities, the Kadayawan Festival. Experience the vibrant colors and distinguished culture of Davao City by participating in the annual Kadayawan Festivals. Immerse yourself in the celebrations of life, diversity, and abundance. Witness the colorful street dances and feel the rhythm of drums and can be captivated by the dazzling floats caroling in the streets.
Sumasayaw ang langit.
Davao City invites you to experience a tapestry of festival and landmarks that will ignite your senses and leave an indelible mark on your soul. Come and be part of our vibrant culture, explore our natural wonders, and create lasting memories in Davao City, the city of festivals and dreams.
Sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay rami
Davao. Diversity is our beauty.